they can look up your plan options and let you know if you're eligible to enroll in a plan that may have additional benefits.
Why didn't you say that sooner? It's time for me to call and get my free, no-obligation Medicare benefits review.
That's right, Martha. I should have just given you the toll-free number. It's on everyone's TV screen now. Call 800-454-1178. 800-454-1178.
The ABCs of CKD. A is for awareness, because knowing that your chronic kidney disease and type 2 diabetes could progress to dialysis is important. B is for belief that there may be more you can do. Just remember that K is for kidneys and Kerendia. For adults living with CKD and type 2 diabetes, Kerendia is proven to reduce the risk of kidney failure, which can lead to dialysis. Kerendia is a once-daily tablet that treats CKD differently than type 2 diabetes.
What did that message say?
Beware the warrior in white.
Oh yeah, that.
Which are federal grants awarded to low-income families. The Biden administration has appealed the ruling. This was one of the ways Morgan that he was going to get the youth vote, right? Senator Bernie Sanders said there's trouble with the youth vote. What now?
I think it worked because this didn't get overturned until after the election. So, listen, and Dagan knows these numbers better than anybody. When we look, we're at $31 trillion in debt. This would be the Biden's student loan bailout would be $400 billion. So that adds $1,200 to every single one of us watching, every American, to what our share of the debt is. And so why does all of that matter?
If I'm gonna get ready for him.
Which is the cost of going to college in general.
We're in their corner. I know it. Because their local agent is a small business owner too.
Well, first I'm gonna draw him. This is what the warrior in white looks like. At first, I thought this warrior in white was actually the Grand Minister.
Unpredictable amount of unpredictability about inflation into the mix.
But actually, well, this guy has Ultra Instinct hair. And can grow to the size of a giant. He can become his own aura and, well, basically, he knows the Dragon Fist. It's a signature move that Goku knew. Basically, I don't know anything about him. Here's the bow staff. One thing I know is that this guy has the voice of an elderly. I've always asked what his name was. Perhaps we should ask him.
Or maybe I'm some wacky guy you've never met before. I guess you'll have to wait and find out.
We're gonna need some support. We're gonna need all your support if we're gonna see the latest episode for Dragon Ball Undiscovered. For as you have noticed, I've been taking a liking to the warrior in white, and I wish to see more of him in action. Find out more about him, and what is the compromission on Trunks and Gohan. I'm proud that they've reunited and joined forces. Will we ever get to see them again? Tune into Rising Fist and find out. I've been taking a liking to this show. Anyways, that is how you draw the warrior in white. And Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night. Hope to see you guys again soon.